Okay, this is a signal on the euro yen. It's by, at, or near 114.19. Minimum is out 3 hours. We do have a strike price at 114.20. Now, the problem with this strike is I would have to pay about $59 to enter this trade. I'm not interested in doing that. Instead, I would actually prefer to come up to 114.40. Now we have had this reversal bar. It made a low. This bar closed above the high of this one, and we've also had divergence. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this. I'd actually like to pay about $35 for it. Just in case I'm wrong, I'm not going to risk a lot of money. And this will have to come down to 35 for me to be filled. Now, this is at the 114.40 strike. Price, the signal actually came out at 114.20. And if it starts coming down to the S1 line, then I'm probably actually going to exit the trade. In other words, if this closes below 114.20, I'm going to reassess the value of the trade. I'm also going to go ahead and put in a target at 80. So if it does pop up and I'm not watching it, then I have the potential for this profit target to be filled. Okay, just for your information, these are the charts that I use, and this was actually the entry signal right here. You see the blue dots. You also see that there is a yellow lines over here that just tells me there's a lot of support for price to actually go up in that area. Now, as price has come back to that ATR, you can see that the volume has been decreasing, meaning sellers at the moment are not interested in taking the market up. So, and this is a stochastics that I developed that has the support and resistance built into it, so you can immediately see divergence and just know where to draw the lines at. In this case, the stochastics is doing just what it should be doing from low to low. You're making higher lows in price. You're also making higher lows in the stochastics. Exactly what you want to see happen. This divergence tells me that price should go up and make a high. I'd like it to close above this pivot line at 114.30 and then take out my strike price. We'll have to see if that happens. Okay, I switched this over to a 1 hour chart, so because that's what the signal is generated off of, and I want you to see what I'm seeing. And you're seeing the actual same type of divergence right now between here and here. And if you connect the stochastics on the bottom, you're seeing that this has made a lower low over here. Price did not. That's called hidden divergence. And this is where I'm expecting it to go up and take out this high actually. And that would be off of the hidden divergence. Now we do have non-farm employment numbers coming out in about 45 minutes. So that may affect the trade as well. Okay, as you can see, that price bar did close above the pivot line. Now I'm waiting to see if it goes up. Okay, as you can see, I'm still in this trade, and it's about 30 minutes before expiration. So we'll see if the order gets filled or not. Okay, it has come back to test the 114.20, and now I've been filled, so I'm out of the trade. And it was a nice trade, just one that we had to wait for a little bit to get our profit target.